Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammed Hassan and today we are going to explore another perfume by Boadicea The Victorious and which is Victory. So this is the sample I got. This is the sample. This is the box. I really like how they have very black, shiny kind of boxes and sample 1.5. This is an ample size sample. It's 1.5 ml. You can see it is written at the behind over here. 1.5. So let's spray this one and see how it actually reacts to my nose. So where is this? Okay, so this is really nice. Oudi kind of a bit of rounded oudi, dirty kind of feeling with the sweetness, fresh sweetness in the start. It feels like that in the background Bakhur is burning. So if you are not familiar with Bakhur, the Arab people, they actually burn wood, flavored wood that has been, flavored with different oils or maybe perfumes, and when they burn it, it emits some smell. It feels like Hindi oud, really nice. There is a perfume oud for greatness. I think it is very similar to in that direction, but it is a bit, for me, I think it is a bit better. It is a bit skanky kind of oud. There is a fresh spiciness in the background. Really nicely done. Now the skankiness or the dirtiness is getting in the background and light woodiness, maybe cedar wood or some florals or maybe something is getting in the front. I already told you that this company, Boadicea The Victorious, it is a Kuwait-based company, Arab company. So they actually have a very good accord which they use in most of their perfumes, that is a oud rose combo. So this is a really well done perfume, and let's see how it actually. Yes, there is cardamom too in the background. That is, I think that is why it is sweet, woody, oudy kind of feeling to this one. Leather is not too much. Leather is kind of subdued over here. It is not in the foreground. It really reminds me of smoky, light, smoky Bakhur kind of wood burning in the background, and it has some, you can say, sweet wood kind of feeling to this one. Really nicely done. I think it is far better than oud for greatness. If you want to, you can say, really sense the glory of Arabian Bakhur burning or oud burning, I think this is kind of similar to that theme. I can't stop sniffing this one. This is really nicely done. I have smelled Bakhurs and oud. If it is like if you have been burning oud wood with some Bakhur flavors. Right now my air conditioner is turned on and I think this is the perfect weather for this one. Really well balanced oud with sweetness. This is, I think, the best, one of the best from Boadicea The Victorious. If I describe it in two words, it is oud Bakhur, sweet oud Bakhur burning feeling where the smoke is very low, sweetness and oudiness is in the air. So when you burn actually oud, it leaves a trail outside of your room. If you burn it on a low heat, it is kind of that feeling. Really nice. I think this is, I would say this is the best kind of oud burning feel I have got from any perfume yet. So this is Victory from Boadicea The Victorious. I hope you have enjoyed this review of this perfume Victory, and make sure you like, subscribe, and if you like such perfumes, this is for men, this is not going to suit women. Maybe if you are from Arab country, you can wear this one. If you are a woman from Arab country, they are really familiar with oud oils and burning oud and bakhurs, so you can wear this one. Really nice, really nice. So I really recommend, if you like Eastern perfumes or oud or bakhur burning kind of scents, this is the best perfume for you. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.